Hello guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku in the yesterday's newspaper of Thursday. Yes, Thursday, June the 17th, 2021. Because today on Friday we have no extra Sudokus, uh, no additional, so I've decided to continue with the rest of the puzzles of the first day edition. So we have now, I've already solved the 1 star. Now I do the 2 stars. Later I will do the tectonic and the binary. So the 2 stars, yes, this one will be a number 2968. And for a 2 stars Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And the 2 stars, this one has 26 printed digits. Yes, 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm sure there are 26. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number can I pick? How about this row? We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. Therefore, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. Then 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 4. How about these 3 numbers in this row? Let me continue. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 9. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, the 8 and the 5. Alright. Then let me see 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, so no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 7 should be there. Then 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square again for the numbers 8 and the 5. 8 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 8 and the 5. That means in this column we have 1 box left. This box should be the number 6. Yes, the 6 is missing. Alright. And then in this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these two boxes. There's 6, no 6 in those two boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those two boxes in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 6 should be there. Now I have a 6 there. I have marked those two boxes with the 6 earlier. So now we have a 6 here. So this box cannot be a 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. Alright. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 6. Alright. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column. Well, actually 3. Those missing numbers are the 8, the 5, and the 1. And look, we have an 8 and a 5 in this row. So no 8 and a 5 in this box. The 8 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 8 and 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And 8 goes there. 1 box left in the middle column for the number 1. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can't be 5 anymore. This box should be an 8. Okay. Then let me see. The 2 is missing in this big square. The 3 is missing in this big square. And the 5 is missing in this big square. Well, we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. Okay. Then we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 3. Need to wait. Alright. Let me see. The 9 in the third row. The 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 9 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 178, 78. Well, I cannot fill this yet. 178. Well, we have an 8 here, so no 8 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. The 1 and the 7 are left. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Yeah. 7, 7. 7, 7. 7, 7. 7 and the 5. 2 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers here are the 7 and the 5 in the last column. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there. Alright. Alright. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 7 should be there. Then in this column, the third column, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. We have another 7 there. So this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. Alright. And now Let me see. Okay. Two numbers left in this column for the numbers 2 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes, 2 and 9. So one box left in this big square for the number 5. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. Let me mark those two boxes, 8 and 9. Okay. One box left in the third row for the number 1. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the ones are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. Alright. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 9. Now we have 8 there, so this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 5. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. Alright. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 9. Alright, one box left in this big square for the number 2. One box left in the last row for the number 2. One box left in this big square for the number 4. Then 2 in this column, 2 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore, that box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 3 and 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there, 7 should be there, and a 3 goes there. One box left in this column for the number 4, I believe, yes. One box left in this row for the number 3. And the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Wow. And I've completed within or faster than 50 minutes. So is this really a 2 stars? Well, let me give this a 1 star, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. A tectonic with 1 star and a puzzle, binary puzzle number 2. See you then. Bye bye for now.